Need help with your office network location? Need CCTV installation on facilities? Boardtac Solutions offer standards-based telecom services and networking solutions in Kenya. Prevent downtime and boost your overall network efficiency with our expert field technicians, ready to dispatch 24/7, anywhere in the country. We offer new data cable installations, network installations for call centers, network installations for data centers, network cable labeling and tracing, network cable testing and fault finding, network cabling upgrades, office relocation and installation of new office network points or data points. IP voice cabling services, new voice cabling installations, voice cable labeling and tracing, voice cable testing and fault finding, voice cabling upgrades, office relocation and installation of new office voice cabling.